Hi guys, I am going to show you the best secret hideout ever in Roblox. If you haven't seen this for a while, this is the best hideout ever. Oh no, it's double time. Alright, I can still walk. Alright, this is it. This is what I want to show you for today. This is short. Look. So remember, if you see a dark brick wall, yeah, it has a soda machine. See all, and look. Can you keep a secret? Okay. I'll keep a secret, but I ain't gonna believe you. No. Now let me get in. Oh well, I guess I'm gonna have to die. Look at me with that prankster face. Hee. Alright, that's not funny. Oh, you see up there, I have money. For that video today, I showed you how to go inside there. This is the victory dance. Flare! Woo! I call it the flare. Bye.